guys are not getting your bonuses.
We're out of money, and we're not getting money anytime soon.
I've got kids to feed and a wife to please.
I think that goes for all of us.
Y'all remember that damn Congress, the bonus they offered us? Well, how are we veterans supposed to live with $1 per day in the United States?
Are we talking about the one that's supposed to be passed in?
Yeah, that one.
But should we just wait?
Wait?
Yeah.
Yo, what's up, bruh?
How's your wife, Jessica?
Pretty aight. But my son died from a brain cancer.
Sorry.
How's your wife, Nicoletta, bro?
She's actually pretty ill right now. My son, Lorenzo,
bro.
is so sick.
I feel you. Whoa!
Sorry guys, I was trying to feel better after.
What happened to you? Oh yeah, cue flashback.
Anyways, so how do we get the government to give us our bonuses early?
Alright, I got the perfect idea. We start a protest. Because violence is always the answer.
Why don't we infiltrate the headquarters? Give ourselves the money. Brilliant.
And why don't we just fly to the sun?
Actually, a protest might be a good idea.
Alright, well then where's the best place that we should go to protest?
Washington, D.C.
Why DC?
Because the president is there.
Actually, I think it's a good idea to make some signs. Protest signs.
Alright, well why don't we start to pack before sunset?
Day 2.
What do we want?
Money!
When do we want it?
Now!
What do we want?
Money!
When do we want it?
Now!
What do we want?
Go on! Get our bonuses! Continue without me!
Dragging us behind.
A few inches later.
Hoover! Somebody stop that man!
Hold
Get our bonuses!
Hoover will never give it back your bonuses!
Where is it at?
Yo, where is Hoover, bro? Yo. Get him.
Damn it! Cannot get our bonuses. No matter how much we protest, no matter how much we try, they won't listen. They won't give us our fucking bonuses.
So you guys didn't get your bonuses?
I'm sick of the last one.
Come on. What are we gonna do now? Keep going?
I don't think we can.
Hoover Ward, the you aren't getting your bonuses. Now you got to suffer the consequences. Ah! Ah! Ah!